elementary students. Today we're going to discuss equations of circles. So here's the standard form of an equation. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. HK is the center, so you've got the opposite of H, the opposite of K to be, because it's minus in the equation. This plus is important because in Algebra 2 you'll learn that with a minus it's a different kind of graph. And then r squared is r is the radius. So let's look at an equation. The center here would be -4, +2, because since standard form has minus in the equation, it would be the opposite. So opposite of 4 is -4, opposite of -2, +2. This is r squared, so when you take the square root of it, you get the radius. Now let's graph it. Let's put the center, and then let's count 5 each direction for the radius to find the, and then let's just sketch a graph. Mine's not going to be beautiful. All right, let's look at this one here, number 4. The center is 0, -10, because there's nothing here. It would be like x minus 0. And then if I do the square root of this, I get the radius. But look, the question asks you for diameter, so let's double that. Then if we did number 5, your center is this. Your circumference, or your radius is square root of 32. Now, we could simplify the radical, or we could put it in our calculator and get a rounded estimated number, which is going to be about 5.66. So then the circumference is 2 times the radius times pi, and the area is pi r squared. And I'll let you do the math on that. I'm just showing you what you would do. So let's go to the next page. And you remember that this is the standard form. We're just going to put it up there for a reminder. And so now I have, I've given you info, and I want you to write the equation. So there is the center, so I'm going to go x minus h, so that becomes a +1, plus y minus k squared, don't forget your squares, equals the radius squared. And 14 squared is 196. And there's your equation of a circle. Let's work backwards on one of these. So I have the center and the circumference, and I want to write an equation. X plus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals. Now, what is your radius? This, if it's pi times diameter, there's your diameter, radius 3, radius squared is 9. And then I'm going to go backwards from a graph and write an equation. And I have, I'm going to find the center. So let's count, let's find the ends of the circle and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's the middle. It's 5 from each side. So the radius is 5. So radius squared is 25. Here's your center, 1, 2, 3, -2. So x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25, because I do the opposite.